Well, guess what I was doing?
Hi YouTube, you're watching Tractor Talk with Gary. Today, we're going to mount stickers. We're going to put them on my door in my Quonset building. Most of the content creators that have sent me stickers have sent me two. Luke sent me two from Orange is My New Green, and in a industrial mishap, stickers, letter, everything went out in the trash by mistake. So anyhow, in a hurried cleanup. So Luke sent me another sticker, so I'm only going to have one from Luke. I only have one from Piney Grove. And so they're going to go on here. The ones that have two, I'm going to make another board. I'm selling some campfire wood down by the road, so I'm going to make a stand for that, and I'm going to put a sign down there with other stickers on it so that I can advertise the other YouTube channels. So let's get started. First up on the Wall of Fame is going to be Orange is My New Green. Let's get this one centered. Orange is My New Green, number one up. That is Luke. L-U-C is how he spells it, Luke. Luke is a wonderful content creator and has been a very good friend. Not one of my earliest subscribers, but I came to him through someone else's channel and checked him out and really liked what I saw. So check out Luke from Orange is My New Green. He's been kind of quiet lately, but he'll be putting some more stuff out here. So number one, Luke from Orange is My New Green. Number two, I'm going to stagger these a little bit. Number two, Piney Grove Homestead, Brad and Deb, my friends from Florida. Fairly new channel. They are rocking it. They went up over 1,000 subscribers very quickly. They've got their nice little homestead in Florida. Trying to put these up in the order that they were received. Next up, Garden Tractor Boy. This is from Joseph. He is over in the UK. That would be England for you people from California. Joseph is a young man. So his dad is his cameraman, and I believe his dad's name is Ian. It's either Ian or Lane. I can't vouch for that for sure. But Joseph and his dad, he sent me two stickers. This is the one with the most of the garden tractors on it. So I thought it'd be in good company here with my tractors in my shed. So there's Joseph. And Joseph has, he puts out a video every Wednesday night. It's Workshop Wednesday, or I don't know if it's Wednesday night. It's Wednesday night when I get it. Workshop Wednesday. Like I said, he's a young man. I don't know how old he is, but him and his dad leave no stone unturned when they go through garden tractors. It's really interesting. They know their stuff, and it's fascinating to watch them put this content together. So, Garden Tractor Boy. Here's one. It's a favorite. So many of us. This guy is still active duty military. And he's a hoot to watch. Guess I didn't show the camera, did I? It's Dave sometimes David, I call him Dave, from RCAF Polar Express. The RCAF stands for Royal Canadian Air Force. Like I said, Dave is still active duty. Dave has a little Mahindra that has gone to a really good home with him. You can see the military in this guy. He takes excellent care of his equipment. Dave from RCAF Polar Express. And go check out his channel. Check out all these channels. Click on that like button and subscribe to him. Even if you're not going to spend a whole lot of time there. Go subscribe to their channel and help them out. Give them the support. Next up, Dave from Pale Horse Outdoors. I should say David. He goes by David. David from Pale Horse Outdoors, Washington State, has a relatively new channel, and he has just recently rocked over 1,000 subscribers. So for those of you who that doesn't mean anything to, for people that have their YouTube channels, that what YouTube likes to call content creators, the 1,000 subscriber mark is a milestone. That's when, if you monetize your channel, that's when you can start getting it monetized, where you'll actually be making money for the content that you produce. And boy, is that ever a get-rich-quick scheme. Wow. You'll be raking in millions. David from Pale Horse Outdoors has a Kubota tractor. He has a grapple and some other attachments. He has a landscape rake. He's always doing projects with his tractor, and it's interesting. He has a voice for this. And kind of like I have a face for radio, he has a voice for YouTube that he's just really relaxing to listen to, very informative. People are really catching on to his channel. It's growing really fast. All these are growing, and I'm happy for him. And to round it all off, Logan from Fab Fun. Logan and his family live in Indiana. Logan has 6 kids, and he creates a lot of stuff. He fabricates a lot of stuff. There's some other channels that I will mention after a bit too that like to do some fabricating. Logan is a hoot. He's got an incredible sense of humor. He's funny, entertaining, informative. And I just messed that one up, Logan. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, check out, Logan's relatively new too. He hasn't been doing this a real long time. And his channel's growing. So, show him some support. Help his channel grow. And so, start out, Luke from Orange is My New Green, Brad and Deb from Piney Grove Homestead, Joseph, and I want to say Ian? Maybe I should say Lane and get a 50% chance of getting it right. Garden Tractor Boy from the UK, David from Washington, Pale Horse Outdoors, Dave from RCAF Polar Express with his Mahindra tractor, and Logan. Logan has a Massey Ferguson, but it's a nice tractor. He gives me a lot of static about the Kubota, but it's all in good fun. So anyway, check out all these channels. Fab Fun, RCAF Polar Express, Piney Grove Homestead, Orange is My New Green, Garden Tractor Boy, and Pale Horse Outdoors.